Right, guys. Okay. Uh, Morning we discussed how to go for encryption and description kind of thing. Now
This
we'll take
meeting
how
is
to
being
take
recorded.
database software as authentication info provider. Whatever we can do in authentication and authorization, we have discussed that. Now I would like to take database software as what? Authentication info provider. Shall we start doing that work, guys? Are we ready? After that, I will try to make our same or different one. I'll try to give one RESTful web service because so far we have seen protection on web application. We'll try to protect what? One RESTful web service. Okay, one RESTful web service by using authentication and authorization, but in 3.x setup, not in 2.x. Let's see, guys, what we can do. Right. I'll take a copy of the project because I want to use a database as what? Authentication info provider. So I need to take a tables, boss. That too having username, password, roles. It's better to take username in one table, roles in one table. Hey, what's happening? Nothing is there in my control. Please join common topics link. Why this is dominated? Acha, one more meeting is going on. Then how to know which meeting we are? Okay, guys, 1 minute. How to check which meeting we are? This one we close. Done. Now another application is in running mode. We joined common topics, you're attending common topics. That's good. That means I have not closed another application. Where is that application? Please join common topics. I think this can be closed. Leave the meeting. Okay, still one more meeting is left. Okay, good. Then for multiple meetings, audio is possible, but for video, you have to depend upon what? Single. You are not visible. Now I am very much visible now. Check it out. More than you wanted. Okay. Okay, come back. Hmm. Take a copy of this. Copy, paste. Boot rest pros for boot plus pros for for at two na. I think not this one. This one security one na boss. Copy paste. What is this, guys? Pros 2. Yeah, next. 2.x only. 2.x. DB as, what is this? DB as authentication provider. DB as authentication provider. That's great. Okay, let me open the document and let's do the things one by one. Okay, now it takes time to do the things, guys. Just perform Maven update, guys. Just try to perform what? Maven update, my dear. Try to perform Maven update activity. Okay, that's great. This is my Java resource, guys. Here is my what? Java resources. Boot security pros 1 first 2.x. Okay, 2.x. Right. Here are my Java resources, guys. Come on, everyone, understanding my statement, boss. Okay, so let's open one by one. First, we have to keep tables ready. If tables are already there, our lot of time will be saved. If not there, what to do? We have to create manually. I don't think they will be there manual already, guys. Spring here. What is there? Common topics here. Where is this? Spring security here. Yeah, database as authentication info provider. That's great. Okay. Slow, man. Slow, slow, slow. Yeah, we run the application with encrypted password and all this stuff. Working with. Make sure the following DB tables are available. Make sure that the following. Make sure. What is there, guys? Make sure the following DB tables are available in any database software. Parent DB table, child DB table. One is user, other one is what? User roles. Parent DB table, child DB table. Taking user details and roles in single DB table is bad practice. This approach do not support one user having multiple roles. So prefer taking two tables having what? Foreign key relationship. Username, password, status. Role, username. And the link is here. What is there? Link is here. Fine. Okay. That's really great, boss. After that, what is the next thing, guys? SQL developer. What developer? What is the developer, guys? SQL developer. Okay. Yeah, we'll take the support of SQL developer. Better not to react. Yeah. What is the table we are thinking about, guys? Tell me, everyone. What are the table names? Yes, guys. Users and what is there? User roles. Users and what? User roles. Here is my what? Users. This is the user and oh, luckily some things are there, guys. Come on. Are in web application, how runner will be there, Babu? Already I created the table, guys. Tarun, Raja, Mahesh. But the problem is, I don't know what are these passwords. Encrypted one. So delete them. Morning we got some passwords now, boss. We'll try to paste those passwords, right? Okay, delete the second row. No, I don't want to delete complete row, my dear. I just want to, we can decrypt. Again, that's a waste of time. Okay. Someone saying the decrypt, sir. Bada aa gaya. Okay, next. Okay, guys. Chitti, can you stop your drama? Let me teach Ranayana. Oh, I know you become Anil Kumar, you become X because by mistake parents have given birth to you, na? That's why you don't have single name, you have multiple names. Please, I'm here. I'm busy in my job. You are a jobless fellow. Please stop your drama. Okay. Right. I think in morning session we got something. In morning session we got something here, right? Yes. Yeah. Where is this? Com dot nt dot config. Security config. I think first one Rani na. Okay. We'll give that password too. We'll change password and username. When you are changing username, we also change what username also. Paste. No gaps na boss, no spaces. Okay guys. Next, this is Hyderabad. We'll change the usernames also slowly. Whatever it is. If you want, you can store the original one with no app. But yeah, can you tell me the users also? Why to Raja? Next one. Suresh. Mahesh. Mahesh is there. Status guys. 0 means inactive. 1 means active. That's only to check whether account locked is working or not. But I'll make everything what? Active. We hardly got 3 users now. I'll make everything active only. Say yes. What's the problem? I will tell. This table is linked with another table now, boss. Users underscore roles. It is worried there. It is worried there. Raja is there, Mahesh is there, but Tarun is not there. Change Tarun to whom, guys? Suresh. Whom, guys? Suresh. Next. Next one. What is there? What are the roles we have taken? Customer manager. Manager, visitor. Okay, I think for Mahesh, Suresh, we are giving 2 roles, no, other day. Come on, guys. Original, anything you can give. No, manager and customer, both roles are there for Suresh, if I am not wrong. Raja customer and Mahesh is the visitor, as per my knowledge. Anyhow, we don't bother about all this stuff. Mahesh. What is there? Mahesh. Done? Okay. This is my username, boss. Refresh it. Say yes. Users, guys, refresh it. Say yes. But still error. How come, Ra? Yeah, customer is Raja. Suresh. Yeah, it's wantedly I'm giving 2 roles for Suresh now. That's the reason we are taking this, right? Why these are star marked? Modify, save the changes. Parent key not found. Suresh, any spell mistakes in Suresh, guys? Users, Foreign key is what? Username. 1 minute. I'll find out, guys. Is Raja correct? Yes. Done. Suresh Mahesh. Child record not found. Ah, why child record not found, guys? Raja is there. Is it the same table or different table? Manager Suresh. I think 1 minute. Let me look at the queries, boss. Sometimes it happens. We think something else will happen. SQL. SQL. Here, what is the table, guys? PWD status, using index, all this stuff, leave it. Where is that? References. Where is that? References. Okay. Tarun place we have modified to Raja, but in roles, Tarun place we change it to Suresh. How does it matters? Any role I can give, na? Any role I can give, right? It's my choice, boss. Okay. Parent key not found. Yeah. Where is this references? Role customer twice. Array wantedly I am giving Rababu. User underscore role. User underscore role. Foreign key uname. References system users. Uname. Users uname. Users is there. In that one uname is there or not there? There. But then why it is giving problem, boss? Hmm. It is showing -1. Array, that is a count, na? That is automatically generated number, right? That is what? Automatically generated number, boss. Roll and this. You save the changes. Integrity constraint. User underscore real PK1 violated. Parent key not found. Parent key is what? Uname. It is saying that uname not found. But I am typing the uname, but it is saying not found. What could be the reason, guys? Okay. 1 minute. Delete that record. Yeah, deleted. Okay, now save it. Save this one. Okay, now child record. Refresh it. No error gone. Are first saved. Are what is there to save here? Oh, what is this, guys? Somehow it is not. Parent key not found. I think it's a waste of time. Let's create a new table, guys. Let's create a new table. No triggers, nothing, Rabav. Okay, let's see. Table drop. What is there? Table drop. Table drop. Yes, na boss, come on. Right. Here is my plus symbol, guys. Where is this? Users. What is there? User, not the. I want to create a table, right? Yes. New table. Any name you can take, guys. Users. What is there? Column name. Uname. Data type. PWD. Varchar2 size 30. Next, what is there? PWD. Varchar2 this. What is next? Status. Varchar2. Save OK. 12th we have taken. I will change it. What is there? Users. Maybe that could be the reason. In previous also size could be, no, size also already might have extended because earlier one also encrypted only, na. Okay, I'll take 50 boss. If not 15, let's take 100. Why to take a chance? But one more change, guys. Status is 0 or 1, na? Status is what? Number. Say okay. Status is number 1. Okay. Yeah, we'll create a table later, but let's put the data first. Data. First plus symbol. Raja status 1. Next plus symbol. Next one. Suresh status 1. Next plus symbol. Tell me. Mahesh. Mahesh status 1. Okay. Now passwords, guys, as usually. Yeah. First password is this. Second password is this. Second password is this. Done. Say refresh. Okay. One table is ready, guys. Next table, users underscore roles. Users underscore roles. Here first, what is the one I want to place? Role. Varchar 220. Next, what is the role here, guys? Use. Uname. Foreign key I have to take, na boss. Uname. Uname 20, that's great. But how to apply foreign key on it, guys? Achha, in previous one I forgot to apply for primary key. Yes, that is there in one headache. That is there in one headache. Okay, that's fine. But how to add foreign key? I think I used to do something for that. Advanced. Advanced constraints are there. In these constraints, plus what constraint? Foreign key constraint. Come on. Foreign key constraint. Which table, guys? Users table. Schema system. Users table. What table? Users table. What is the constraint that I would like to apply? Constraints, okay. I used to do something to get this, guys. Cascade, nothing, default. Okay, I will put for U name. I'll put U name. Acha, the mistake that happened is I will tell. First, go to users, guys. Edit. Here you add primary key. Without adding primary key, how foreign key you can add? Yes, that is minimum, na? Right. Now go to user underscore. What is there? Users underscore roles. Not created. Not created. Ayo, entire hard work got wasted. New table. Users underscore role. Column. What's the column? Role. Size 20. Next. Uname varchar2. Click on advanced. What is this? Constraint. What is the constraint you want to apply? Foreign key constraint. On which table, guys? Users. User underscore PK. Say okay. Yeah. What is there? User underscore roles. Look at the SQL that is generated. Where is foreign keyword, guys? Foreign key uname is there. References users uname, right? Okay, that's good. It is prepared, guys. Next, data. What are the roles you want to add? Tell me. Customer role, right? Customer role for Raja user. That is customer clerk role, guys. Next one. What is the next role I want? Again, customer role for whom? Suresh. Again, customer role from whom? Manager role, guys. Who is that role I want to have? Manager role. What is there? Suresh. Next, plus. Tell me. Visitor role. Visitor role. Who is that visitor role? Mahesh. Say refresh. Oh, fine. Then earlier also we did the same thing, but fine. They have a lot of old tables, na? They might have got their own restrictions. Yeah, tables are ready, guys. Keeping in two different tables is good. Foreign key, everything is done. Add Spring JDBC Oracle driver starters to project as additional starter. JDBC API and what? Oracle. Okay. If not there, you try to collect from what? Somewhere else. But it's not like that they are not there. Definitely they are available. Right click, tell me. Right click, what is there? Spring. Add starters. It's 2.x. No? Okay. From where you should get, guys? Open the browser. Go to open the browser. mvnrepository.com. What.com, guys? mvnrepository.com. Yes, boss. mvnrepository.com. There what? Spring Boot Starter JDBC. I think not Spring Boot, Spring Starter only. Spring Starter JDBC. Yeah, we got it. 3 point, not 2.4.2, guys. Compatible one we have to take, na? I think we are still in 2.x setup, right? Version, anyhow, version is not required. Fine, I understood version is not required. Fine. Anyhow, we can remove the version, guys. Yeah, copy this, paste it. Here is my pom.xml, right? Here is my what? Pom.xml. Done. Say paste. Done. Save it. Okay. Now Arkil related jar also you should add na, boss. Okay. Go to the top, guys. Yeah, tell me here, what is this? Arkil. Arkil. OJDBC. What is there? OJDBC 11. OJDBC 11. Oh, big number, guys. Fine. Say paste. Okay. No need of version, it seems. It will pick up the version dynamic. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, guys? I want reply, boss. This is my security config. Here is my what? Controller. Here is my encoder. Encoder right now, here encoder is not required. Leave it. Fine. By going to property file, I have to write JDBC properties now, boss. After all, JDBC. Okay. Next, data source configuration. What is that? Data source configuration. Spring dot data source dot driver class name. Arkil dot JDBC dot driver dot Arkil drive. Spring dot data source dot URL. JDBC colon Arkil colon thin colon @ localhost colon 1521 colon XE. Spring dot data source dot username system. Spring dot data source dot password. What is there? Manage. What is the password, guys? Tiger. Let's put tiger here. Understanding, guys? Come on, everyone. Right. System tiger. What is there? System tiger. Fine. Okay, this is done. But we will get data source object now because of this. Yeah, we try to inject that data source object to this place. Where is that? Config, guys. Security config, right? Yes. Config, security config this. Private data source DS. @auto. @auto. That's right. Mm, yes. Okay. Now, no in-memory authentication, guys. I want to use JDBC authentication or not. Use JDBC database software as authentication info provider. What provider, guys? Authentication info provider. AUTH dot JDBC authentication dot. Here is the challenge. We have to write the queries. Come on, you have to write the queries. First, we are also data source dot password encoder dot bcrypt password encoder dot bcrypt password encoder. There you should write query for authentication. You should also write query for authorization. Check it out here. What is there? Users by username query. Here you get. Select uname PWD status from user where uname is equal to question mark authenticate. Authorities by username query, right? Select uname role from user underscore roles where uname is equal to question mark. You have to write the queries now, boss. Dot, tell me. Dot. Users by uname query. Select uname PWD status from users where uname is equal to question. That's great. This is for authentication, guys. Next, what is there? Dot. Okay. Authorities by username. Authority means what? Authentication. Authorities by username. Authorities by, what is there? What query? Authorities by username query. Authorities by username query. There are any spell mistake? Authorities. Huh? Acha, this semicolon. Method chaining, na? Right. Authorities by username query. Select here role comma. What comma? Select role comma uname from users underscore roles where uname is equal to question mark. So not only we are, but somewhere I have to inject data source now, boss. Dot data source. Come on. Otherwise, how does it knows it has to talk with which database? Dot data source DS. Password encoder this. What is this, guys? Come on, everyone. Right. Offers authenticated balance customer manager approve as role this. I'm not touching this section, guys. This I'm keeping as it is because I feel this is not required to touch. But one small thing, guys, I noticed this is headache sometime. Here has authority because we are used authorities by username. Na? Don't use as any role, use as any authority. This is the one thing I noticed this time. Sometimes as any authority, as authority. As authority. That's really great, my dear. Come on, everyone. Super. Has authority. I think we are all set, guys. Almost everything is ready here. Come on. Check it out. Anything is missing. Remaining all our regular guys. Session management, prevent, run the application, right? Yes. Remaining things anyhow there, boss. Before running, let me change the context path. Before running, let me change the context path. Fine, guys. Right click, properties, advanced systems, web project settings, paste. Apply, okay, apply and close. Apply, okay, apply and close. Right click, guys, run on server. What is there? Tomcat 9 only. Okay, we always say use this server so that it won't ask again and again, right? Remove all. We'll try to see that. There's no need of touching everything, guys, whether it is taking from database or not. That is what I want to test. Whether it is taking things from database or not. That is what I want to test, nothing else. Okay, it's permit all. Show offers. It's working. Raja, what is there? Rani. Sign in. It's working. Come on. Authentication. Log out. Log out. Yes. Raja. Rani 123. Sign in. Bad credential. I think I need not to show remaining things, right? So this time it is taking from in-memory DB, not database software. It is using database software as authentication info provider or not, guys. And compared to in-memory data, external database is quite industry standard, right? That's good. But we want to develop same application or if not similar application on Spring REST, because before accessing business method, I want to check authentication and authorization. Okay, in 3.x setup, because we moved to 3.x, right? Okay, my folders you only telling to me, great. Right, 3.x on Spring Boot REST application. You want to save this document? Yes, I would like to save. Okay. Yes, here observe this. Here also I'll give to. Applying security on Spring Boot REST application. Okay, Spring Boot REST application using Spring Boot 3.x. What, guys? Using Spring Boot 3. In Spring Boot 3.x, web security configure adapter is initially deprecated, then removed. So we need to develop security config class of 3.x having lots of @bean methods, right? By getting few objects related to security through auto configuration to the parameters of @bean method. This is one headache we got, right? In Spring Boot 3.x security, we have lots of authentication provider classes as predefined classes to use different environments as authentication info provider. We make them Spring Bean in security config class using @bean method. Also using builder design pattern. Array method is generally called what? Builder design pattern. That internal uses method chaining concept. In-memory user details manager to create and store username, password, and roles in as in-memory detail. JDBC user details manager to create and store username, password, roles in-memory or external database software. User detail manager is interface. In-memory user detail manager, JDBC user detail manager, LDAP user detail manager. What is that, guys? LDAP user design manager. In security config class, we need to take one @bean method returning security filter chain object. What object, guys? As a Spring Bean having configuration related to what? Authentication and authorization. Security chain, default security chain, right? Okay, guys. Now, what is this? What is this? Okay, we will. Okay, code is not important, right? But this time I'm going to apply on what? A RESTful application. What application, guys? Yeah, I'm planning to apply on what? RESTful application. There also I will try to Sujalanda first concentrate on security. Sujalanda, you are saying something to someone, na? What happened to your common sense now? Muddy fella. All of a sudden, where your brain goes, boss? Why dynamically you are thinking here and there? Concentrate on current topic. Are you perfect, so perfect in current topic? No, na? Or Chicky's changed his name to Sujalanda to get scolding. Chicky can do anything because he is a Chekka guy. Fine. Okay, tell me what is there? 618. 1 minute. 1 minute for last batch. I think 1102. No, 901. No, I just want to use ready-made applications, nothing else. Security. Where is that? Springboard security. MS, MVC, Webflex, Start ZDP. Not there. Security. Security application where, guys? Yeah. Process 6. This is bit old, guys. What's the last batch completed? I1 1102 universe. 516, 515 is going on. 516 rest. Wait a minute. Their projects are there, guys. Yeah, we got it. Pros 4 3.x. I think these two are perfect looking, guys. 3.6. Okay, we'll keep all the three. We'll work with. 3 point X 1, 2, 3. I think only 2 I developed as for my knowledge, but 3 I'm finding. Maybe one is through improvisation, it seems. What is our workspace, guys? 618. Can you tell me the folder 618? 618. Yeah. 618 paste. Fine. Let's open them, guys. File. Where is this? Import projects. What project, guys? Import. Yeah. File import project. Yeah. General. What is there? General. Here. Existing projects into workspace. Here is what? Browse. Spring. Existing projects into workspace. Where is that? Spring. 618. Next. Boot security. This is in-memory DB, boss. First one is in-memory. We'll take one by one, right? Yes. First application, second application, in-memory DB, this one. Okay. This is looking nice. Let's not run first. Let's see in the resources folder what is there. Application.property, nothing will be there. Why? Because it is in-memory one, right? Okay, next. What are the starters I have added? Check it out. Libraries. Regular starters only, but only the thing is 3 point X, right? Pom.xml. What is the version? 3.2 point. Okay. Can I try 3.4.2, more latest one? Reverse of existing numbers, fine. I wanted to take in more latest one. We'll make this one as HTTP, Babu, not HTTPS. Save it. Fine. Okay. Things are good so far, but if something goes wrong, we will see. Maven update project. Say okay. Maven update project. Say okay. Fine. Okay. Now resources, nothing is there. But most important thing is encode also fine. That's not a big thing. Config, security config class. Observe, my dear. This time, close all editors. Look at the security config class here, boss. Configuration, enable security, enable method security. I want method level security also. Fine. Okay, guys. Now listen. Public security filter chain, default security filter chain. So ultimately, you have written filter chain object. Okay. HTTP.CSRF, cross-site reference forgery is there. Nothing is there. They show one website, then they try to see. This is called phishing, guys. They in one website they give ICICI Bank URL, and when you open it, it looks like really like what? ICICI Bank, and there you type username, password, and they capture and misuse. Fine. So that is called, it's a cross-site reference forgery. What is this? CRF protection. Enable CRS protection. So by default enable, but right now I don't want to worry because it's a small application. That's why disable. If you want, you can enable it, guys. Cross-site reference forgery. Especially this is called phishing also. Phishing means what? When you click on hyperlink, it looks like ICICI Bank homepage. You think that account username password, you type it, so you forget. Okay, some error comes, you will forget. Okay, but later they use it and they will get into account and they transfer the funds. That's all. Cross-site reference forgery. So when you say disable, it will be disable automatically. Okay. Authorize request, that's fine. Request matcher, bank slash employee permit all. Balance and loan approve offers, authentication is required. What is required? Form login with customized default. What is there? Customizer dot default. No customization, with all defaults you want to have. All these things we are giving to HTTP object. What is the object, guys? HTTP security. On that we are calling build method. So this is what authentication services. Authentication and authentication and authorization. Yeah. Next, my dear. Yeah. First, I added two users na. User details, user one, Raja, Rani, customer build. Mahesh, Hyderabad, manager, customer. In memory, we are adding both users na, boss. Come on. But we are using what? Yeah, encoder. What is the encoder I have taken? Bcrypt. And that encoder I passed over there na, boss. That encoder I passed. See, same thing, but programming is different. Array, in both places, same thing, programming is different. Are you getting my point? Super. This is security config class. Definitely new, but we have to work with a lot of @bean method to create, because we are not extending from any predefined class, no inheritance. Everything you should create manually, boss. Look at the controller class, guys. Now I don't need this because I am saying Raja will be encoded and passed, right? There only I am encoding and passing, boss. Look at this, what I am doing. Actually, I should pass the password in encoded format. Encoder dot encode. Encoder is also one Spring Bean. Bcrypt encoder object. Encoded one passed directly in the password column. Authorities means role. Okay, authorities means what? Role. But I am having one problem, sir. You look at this one. On first URL, permit all. Okay, fine. Balance, loan approved, bank offers. Authenticated. Where is authorization, sir? That because only authentication, username, password ask. But is it checking authorization? Don't worry. Method level, you can mention that authorization. That's why enable method security is there. What is there? Enable method security is there. Here is my what? Welcome. Here is my what? Offers. Okay. Here is my has authority manager. Only manager authority role people should be allowed. Balance. Has any authority manager or customer. First two pages authentication is enough. Last two one, not only authentication, manager role for loan approval and balance purpose, manager or customer is required. Manager or customer is required. Got it, guys? Come on, everyone. Right click, run on server. Tomcat 10.1, because latest one learning, na? Say finish. Old one is there. Let's stop it. Let's stop it, guys. Same I'm trying to give as a RESTful, guys. That's why we have taken what? A REST controller, global path bank. Not much difference is not there, right? This time no GUI, guys. These messages, welcome to home, message will come directly on the browser if you satisfy authentication. Run on server, my dear. Say Tomcat 9. Sorry, 10. I'll select Tomcat 10. Net headache will not be there. Remove all Babu. Save finish. Okay. For every page, no, by default login is coming. That's not a correct. Bank slash, what is there? Welcome. This is permit all na? Welcome home. Present, actually it's I'm printing. Next, offers na? Offers. For offers, I think authentication is enabled na boss. Raja, I think Rani only na? Encoded password, Rani. Offer space. I'm not writing anything there. Okay, now I'll try to give loan underscore approve. Loan underscore approve. Forbidden. No authorization. Raja is just having customer role, right? Okay, close this. I'll try to log in as that person who is having manager and customer role. Who is that fellow? Has any authority, manager, comma, customer. I think in security config, who got that manager and customer role, guys? Mahesh Hyderabad. What is that? Mahesh Hyderabad. Done, guys. Right click, run on server. Run on server. Yeah, forget about this, guys. This time I want to log in with what? Something else. What is there? Bank slash, bank slash. Huh? No, offers only we mention. Raja not. What is there? Mahesh. What is the password? Shura Hyderabad. Click on sign in. Offers page has come because we have mentioned it. Next, guys. Next one. Loan underscore approve. Oh, load on. That's why. Loan amount has come na. Next. What is the next one? Balance. Just balance only na. Yeah, this fellow is authorized to do everything or not, guys. See, programming style is different, but meaning is same. But not this. I want to use a database software as what? Authentication info provider. Sir, apart from that, anything is there? Regular main class, nothing is there, right? Controller class, but method level authorization is kept. This is extra. Security config class level, only authentication we can do maximum, right? But method level configurations are done for authorization. And that sounds good. That really sounds good. Every method, that's information. Every method, that information. So now let me show database. Array, in 3.x also we have to fill database as what? Authentication info provider or not, guys? Browse, my dear. Spring 618. Okay, what is the one we have got? Security. Save finish. security, save, finish. Yeah, what is the project we have got, guys? 05. I think let's make it 04. Same application I have taken, but I'm planning to take what? Database as the authentication info provider. Database as the authentication info provider. Then boss, paste it, apply and close. Apply and close. That's great. Yeah. Yeah. What I have to show is in resources, application dot properties, MySQL related. Maybe in MySQL, I might have maintained what? Username and password 516 DB root. I hope from that time I have not touched my database. I hope their username passwords are already there. In that, if not in our logical database, definitely they might be there in what? Other logical database. Here is what? Connection one. Okay, let's hope 516 DB is there. Is there. Luckily there. Lucky boys. Tables, guys. Okay, leave it. Users table is there or not there? Select rows. Here what is there? Mahesh Raja. This one. Array, there will be one more table. Authorities table. What table? These are the fixed names, guys. Raja customer, Mahesh customer, and manage. These are the fixed names. Okay, next. Where you are mentioning database name stuff, go to this config class, security config. Same as previous one. Most of the things are previous. This first method is same as previous one. Nothing changed, guys. Second one you observe. Second one I said JDBC user details. Come on. New JDBC user details DS. DS is nothing but data source na boss. Yeah, from where we got this DS, sir? We passed as a parameter. If you want, you can inject also. See, in configuration class, anything in one method you want to see, in one @bin method you want to see what? Object. Then you have to pass as parameter. You want to see whole class, you have to go for at the top of the class @auto. Data source MySQL, and here table names are fixed. User and authorities. User and authority fixed. Bkept and kept is already, it will be taken internally. Okay, and no change in the interesting part is not even single line modified in bank operations control. Any change in bank operations controller, guys? No. Same thing, but I'm trying to use database, right? Okay. Copy these guys. Right click, guys. Properties, guys. Already done, huh? Okay, fine. Let's run the application once. Run on server, guys. Select Tomcat 10 because latest version, everything of latest you can take. Remove all, my dear. Finish, guys. Okay. By default, it's showing login, guys. We don't want that. Why? This one point for home page, nothing is there, no? That's why. Bank/welcome. Welcome page. Maybe already authenticated this browser. Let's take a new browser because previously authenticated, na? Run on server, guys. Welcome page. Next. Huh? Balance. Oh, balance. Why it is logging? Acha. Welcome page. Mahesh Hyderabad. Authenticated. That means it is collecting from database now, boss. Okay. Next. Loan approval. Only in whatever we have done every loan underscore approval, right? Only na approve na. Yeah, it's coming. Now it is collecting from database part na, boss. Yes or no na? Copy this, go for it, open the browser. This one, guys, say paste. Loan underscore approve. Mahesh wrong password. Sign in. Bad credentials or not? What's the guide? Bad credentials. What is there, guys? Bad credentials. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. So it's working now, right? See, 2.x, 3.x, same. If I directly on 3.x, you may feel heavyweight. That's why I have launched what? 2.x. And later 3 point. See, everything magic is there in security config, guys. Earlier we have written inside the method. Now we have written at the rate bean methods. Okay. Method returning security filter chain object for authentication configuration. What about authorization method level? We have to go for. That's why you are enable method security. And authorization, you have to create one more bean returning what? User detail manager object. Come on. Okay, guys. Now, final conclusion is in Spring Boot 3.x. What is this? Same story, guys. Whatever I have given, same story is there with this one. 3.x using database software as authentication. Database software as what? Authentication. Table creation, encrypted password. Again, same story, boring one, right? So what is the conclusion, guys? In Spring Boot 3.x, we need to configure at the rate bean method. What is this? Returning security filter chain object. Having, what is there? Having authentication configurations. What, guys? Authentication configure. And we can place authorization configurations at at method level of controller or at the rate controller or rest controller class. Yes, guys. Okay, in Spring Boot, okay, we need to configure at the rate main method returning. What is that, guys? User details manager. User details manager object. manager object having, tell me, having what, guys? User details manager object simply having what, guys? User details manager object simply having what? Authorizations. Simply user details manager object having what? Authorizations. Authentication info provider. Authentication info provider configure. Like in-memory DB. What, guys? Next one, JDBC authentication and etc. I hope you got it, guys. Super. Right. That's great. Fine. When we meet in what? Tomorrow's class, I will straight away launch OAuth. OAuth 2.x. Tomorrow morning 7 a.m. OAuth 2.x session 1. Tomorrow evening 7 p.m. OAuth 2.x second session. Two sessions are more than enough for that because it's all about using Facebook login, Google login, this kind of third party login services while getting into our websites, right? Okay, I think I have to what, guys? Export it. I have to upload it, right? Yeah, which place I have to upload, guys? Yeah, tell me what is this? Third one, Spring Boot security. File upload. Tell me next one. Class content. Spring. Next. Common topics. Security. What is that? Fourth session, right? Third one also. Oh, morning forgot to upload. Uploaded. Yes. In which batch I uploaded right now? Oh, 7 p.m. Next, another one. 11 o'clock. Tell me. Spring Boot security. Are already here? Third session, how come there? Are one batch out there and another batch not there. Fine. You'll be having Kafka later. OAuth 2.x session tomorrow and Monday. Tuesday onwards, regular sessions, and we on weekend we'll take one more topic, guys. Right? Yes. Thank you. Have a nice time. Tomorrow 7 a.m. boss. I'll be